parallel and perpendicular lines. Firstly, let's talk about parallel lines. So, two parallel lines never meet together even they are extended both sides. Here, angle AB is parallel to CD and the angle between two parallel lines is 0 degrees. As you can see, the tracks of railways are also parallel. Now let's know about perpendicular lines. If the angle between two lines is 90 degrees, then the lines are called perpendiculars to each other. Here, angle ABC equals 90 degrees. So, AB is perpendicular to BC. You can see the sides of blackboard are perpendicular at each corner. Now, let's know about square. So, in a square all sides are equal. Here, AB, BC, CD, D are all equal. And all the angles are 90 degrees. Here, angle ABC, BCD, CDA, DAB, all equals to 90 degrees. Then comes rectangle. And in rectangle, all the angles are 90 degrees. Here, angle ABC, BCD, CDA, DAB, all equals to 90 degrees. Lastly, the parallelogram. In a parallelogram, pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Here, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. This is all for this video. Thank you.